Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried chicken. First, begin by brining your chicken pieces. A good brine, especially one made with buttermilk, is crucial for tender and juicy results. Submerge your chicken completely in the brine for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, let it soak overnight in the refrigerator. This step truly makes a significant difference in the final taste and texture of your delicious fried chicken. Next, prepare your breading station. For that irresistible crunch, we recommend a 2-stage breading process. First, dredge the brine chicken in seasoned flour, then dip it back into the buttermilk, and finally, coat it thoroughly in the flour mixture again. Make sure your flour is well seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder for maximum flavor. A complete coating is key to a perfectly crispy crust. Now it's time to fry. Heat your oil to a consistent temperature between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Frying in batches is essential. Overcrowding the pan will drop the oil temperature and result in soggy chicken. Cook each piece until it's a beautiful golden brown and reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures it's cooked through and safe to eat. Finally, the last crucial step is resting. Once your chicken is perfectly fried, transfer it to a wire rack set over a baking sheet. Allowing the chicken to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes helps the juices redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. Serve your freshly fried chicken immediately for the best possible crispiness and an unforgettable flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.